may impact na bigat kayo kapsat sa mga nanggaling sa kapitalugay. Magandang umaga po sa akin lahat. Nag-eulogy din po kami kay kagabi. Pero hindi na lang yung sinabi ko. Pinagdawag ko lang. Losing a father is one of life's most profound sorrows. My father was a man of great integrity, strength, and love. Nagagit iso na nga ulay. Ipinigagit na, may palpalitan na niya. Pag-check up na. He was not just a provider, but a source of wisdom, guidance, and mentoring support. Gusto natin nag-post ka niya ng engineering. Kung na niya ito, nalay ka mataya, Jason. Engineer ka daw na. So, nag-civil engineer. Iba pa kami sila nag-engineering student ngayon Manila. So, naging proud mo kasi sa akin kasi unang engineer ka. Sumunod siya. Ano kayo? Engineer ko na. He was my idol. Gusto natin gusto naman natin kay Mama. Then, the rest, ni Mama. His presence in our lives has left an indelible mark that will never fade. He was a man of few words, but his actions spoke volumes of his love and devotion to our family. Through his actions and examples, my father taught me invaluable lessons about life, resilience, and compassion. His legacy will live on through his children as we carry forward the values and principles he instilled in us. Sa mga legacy naman na naiwan ni Papa dito sa Barangay Jamantina. Sabi nga ng mga nag-eulogy kahapon sa mga kasama niya kahapon sa mas trabaho. Pag-umit inalagin ni mga kapagsaykatan ng Barangay Jamantina. Antay kumame, manipadan na ito. Kaaramid kami pa. Thank you, Papa, sa nagpapuro pangalan mo. Dahil dito lumaki natin mga kapatid na independent, honest, mag-iskarte, at marunong makisama sa tao. Don't you worry, Papa. We will take care of you. Rest in peace, Papa and your legacy of love, strength, and wisdom will live on in the hearts of those who are blessed to know you. I love you, Papa. I pray to the Lord that He welcome him to His kingdom, that He may forgive all of his sins. Also, I want to thank the Lord for sharing Him to us ang buhay ng Papa to be with us. We also ask the Lord to guide us and give us strength in this troubled times. I wanted also to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for all the sympathy and support you have shown to our family during this difficult time. Losing a loved one has been incredibly challenging, but having the kindness and understanding of all